In Issuetrak, any report writer report or saved search can be scheduled to be delivered automatically by email. To schedule a report, navigate to Reports, Scheduled Reports, and click Add. At the top of the page, give your schedule a name. Then select whether it's a saved search or report writer report. The report name values will be filtered based on your selection. Then select the name of the report and select whether you want it to be delivered as an Excel or HTML attachment. Select the drop-down to set how often you would like your report to run. Daily is 7 days a week. Weekly lets you pick multiple days within a week. Monthly allows you to pick more specific intervals, such as the 15th of every 3 months or the last Friday of every 6 months. If your report is something that's short-term, feel free to set an end date, but that can be left blank. You can elect to set someone to be notified if the report fails, and fill in a comment, but both of these are optional. Finally, click Save. To add users to the distribution list, click Edit next to your schedule in the list. If you have an email address in the system, you will automatically be included in the distribution. To add others, click on Add Recipient. This will give you a pop-up where you can select a recipient based on their Issuetrak user ID. This will allow for the report to be filtered so they can only see the issues they're allowed to see. You do have an option to add an email address to send an unfiltered report, the same as the system administrator would see. Once you've selected your recipient, click Save. Then repeat to add as many recipients as needed. Once complete, click Update, and your reports will be delivered on the next scheduled date. That's scheduling reports in Issuetrak.